How to use advanced feature in Netflix. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use advanced feature in Netflix. So in order to use the advanced feature in Netflix, what you want to do is, first thing first, you could access the secret menu. So in the web browser, you want to go to netflix.com/browser/genre. And when you go to this section, you then need to type in the popular code. Now, action anime, that is 2653, crime documents 9875. So what you want to do is actually open our browser, type in netflix.com basically. So this is the link. You click onto this button and it's going to take you to the official Netflix page, and you could just go ahead and type in the code. So basically the code is, for action anime, you just want to type in 2653. For crime documentaries, it's 9875. And for science fiction adventure, it's 6926. And for very mindful, you could go ahead and type in the 8193 code. So what you want to do is actually you could browse these code in the browser as well. Next, by default, Netflix uses auto quality, which may dip if your internet fluctuates. To ensure the sharpest picture, you can navigate to your account page. In the browser, select your profile and click onto the playback settings and change data uses per screen to high resolution as well. And this consumes up to 7 GB per hour for Ultra HD. And you could also customize the subtitle appearances. That means you could go to account section, then click on profile and painful control and go to subtitle appearances. Choose from the various fonts and text size as well. And this way you could go ahead and use the advanced features that's available that's available in the Netflix app. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.